Hello everyone, my name is Murali Krishna Vaike. I completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering from UVC College. Later after completion, I joined Emertxe for embedded systems training. During the final year of graduation, the Tesla company got so much exposure. Mainly the automotive industry is working on embedded systems only. So I choose embedded systems as my domain. After graduation, I was looking for job. So while searching in which institute to join, Emertxe it gives more opportunities to the students for like 2 years of placement opportunity. So I joined Emertxe. In academic experience means only theory knowledge was given, so no proper guidance was given. So after I joined Emertxe, hands-on experience in projects like image steganography using C language, then CAN protocol and Linux internals projects, which helped me develop more, understand the concepts really well. So I completed almost 9 projects in Emertxe, 4 from C programming, 2 from data structures, and 1 from microcontrollers and Linux internals 2 projects. So all these projects helped me develop problem-solving ability more confidently. Before joining Emertxe, I attended 2 interviews and I got rejected in the final HR round. So after joining Emertxe, these people taught me not only technical knowledge but also the how to attend interpersonal skills using Wadhwani Foundation technologies and all. So in the Tata Elxsi interview, they asked more about final year graduation project and on CAN protocol project. Just basic questions they asked. And after that in HR interview, more about what you know about the company and what is your strength, weakness, and are you willing to relocate, and all simple questions there. Overall journey of almost about 10 to 11 months in Emertxe. So after the completion of all the modules only, I started applying for the companies. But what I suggest for the juniors is that after completion of microcontrollers modules only, you start applying. Don't wait till the end module. Main advice is maintain more than 95% attendance. So don't get absent, and start working on lead code and hacker rank, and try to do the projects on your own rather than getting help from ChatGPT.
Hello everyone, I am Sahana. I am from Bangalore. I completed my BE in Electronics and Communication from Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, and I am 2025 pass out. While I was doing projects in my college, it was completely based on embedded domain, where I used to learn about components like sensors, motors and all. By completing 2 projects there, I slowly developed the interest towards the embedded field. By the end of final year, I was searching for a good institute in Bangalore, where I have researched so many institutes, and I had asked my seniors also about it, and I came to know about Emertxe, where it's very good for the curriculum is very good as well as the placements are good. So I opted here and I chose Emertxe. Academic, it was like completely, I was focusing only for the marks sake, and whatever the knowledge I gained was very less. But after joining Emertxe, what I felt was the curriculum was from very basic, and more than theoretical experience, we had a practical exposure to coding, and all the mentors, they were insisting to solve problems on lead code, which helped us a lot. I had completed 7 projects in Emertxe, 4 from C, 2 from DS, 1 from MC, and Linux internals. And basically my interview was completely on projects. So each project has given me knowledge, like how whatever I've learned theoretically, I've put it on practical, and each project has given a nice experience. The overall journey was very good at Emertxe. What I felt was, after joining Emertxe, I had improved a lot in my coding, and also the depth of technical knowledge has also been increased. So I insist everyone to join Emertxe. It's a very nice platform to get technical skills and move forward in our career. Please work on with more projects, solve more lead code problems, and as you complete your MC module, start applying, and it is like the more experience you get, the more better chances we get in our future.
Hello everyone, my name is Manikanta. I am from Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my engineering in Aditya Institute of Technology and Management, Andhra Pradesh. I have been placed at Tata Elxsi, Bangalore. During my engineering, I am very much interested in embedded system. I choose this embedded system as my career. So I searched for a good institute for embedded system. I came to know about Emertxe. Then I came here and joined in Emertxe as embedded training. Basically, I am from electrical background. In my BTech, I mainly focus on theoretical knowledge. I don't know much about coding. After joining Emertxe, I mainly built my technical as well as practical knowledge in coding. In Emertxe, I completed 8 projects from C, 2 from DS, and 2 from microcontroller, and 1 from Linux. Mainly, microcontroller projects helped me to crack this interview. The CAN-based automotive dashboard and car black box. These are the main projects. By doing these projects, I gain more knowledge in microcontroller, technical as well as practical knowledge. The overall journey in Emertxe is very good. I learned so much things here, like in coding as well as microcontrollers and Linux, how all these are working in background. These and all I learned here. My advice to the currently pursuing students as well as upcoming students, stay focused on fundamentals and build projects by your own and stay consistent.
My name is Ligita. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur district. I completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. After completing my BTech, I want to pursue my career in embedded systems. I heard about Emertxe that it's a good platform to learn embedded system, so I joined Emertxe. In Emertxe, we will not get only theoretical experience, we will also get the practical knowledge by doing hands-on projects and different modules. Here, the mentors are very supportive. They help to build fundamentals in core domain. I had completed 7 projects in different modules in C, MC, Linux internals. These projects helped me a lot in cracking the interview. In interview, they were mainly focusing on the concepts, like the steganography project played a major role. They were asking about encoding and decoding. It's a very good experience at Emertxe. Here the mentors are very supportive and the placement team also very good. They were helped to crack the placement by motivating the students. Just understand the concept thoroughly and do more projects which will give you hands-on experience and practical knowledge. The more projects you do means you will get more experience and that will improve problem solving skills and technical skills.
Hello everyone, this is Pawan Kumar and I am a recently EC graduate student from Madanpalli Institute of Technology from Andhra Pradesh. During my academics year, where I have a subject like microcontrollers and microprocessor, where I have to work with the kids. In my final year project, I started doing my project in the domain of embedded systems, where I want to work with some sensors, kit boards and microcontrollers. There I started more interest. After my graduation, according to my research, I came to know that more of the companies are focusing about the automotive sectors, and I feel that it is better opportunity for me to choose this embedded system role. There I started searching for the good institute for the embedded systems. In the college, I feel that there are only theoretical knowledge where you get very less chances with the practical knowledge. While coming to the Emertxe Institute, where you can get more opportunities to work practical knowledge, and also some workshops where you can apply your skills, improve your skills, and also you can improve your soft skills. Till now, I have completed only 5 projects, 4 in C languages and 1 is microcontroller, where it helped me more in an interview. Before joining the institute, I have attended mostly 4 interviews where I got rejected after the HR round. In institute, they conduct some mock interviews. Know where I have done my mistake during that interview. I feel that the mock interviews will help us to prepare for the interviews. My overall journey is almost 8 months. In my experience, it is very good learning experience where you get a chance to interact with the experienced lecturers and they share their knowledge on that concepts. Coming to the teaching of the where they teach from the basics and we get to know technical and also practical knowledge, and they conduct that weekly test and assignments where it helps to improve your skills. After completing each concept, they will provide a project where you can apply your knowledge practically. To attend classes regularly and also mainly focus on the projects, and try to attend that soft skills classes and also give more mock interviews and be prepared for the interviews.